How to make your own website. It is in fact very easy. The first thing you need to do is go to versio.nl and register a domain name. This is really the basis of your website. Don't go for a free version of wordpress.com or mywebsite.com or whatever, where you can have a free website. It's not yours, so if they don't like your website, they can remove it, and all the work has been done for nothing. So make sure you have your own domain name. This is very important. So for example, you can have your own name registered. So as you can see, I have already done this, of course. So always go to for a .com extension. That's the best thing you can have, especially when it's for your own name. When you have something in your own country, you can maybe take the extension of your country as well. So let's find something else. Well, for example, this one, I just tried it. You can see this website, which is ridiculously long. It's still free, so you can register it. You say, yes, I want to register, go to the next step. Then you will have to fill out all this information about yourself. So make sure everything is filled out correctly, because this website will be officially on your name from now. You can also choose to do it anonymously, which costs you €5 extra. Then here check that you want to park the domain name for now. We will do everything about the name server later. Then pay about €10 for the domain name, and then we can go on with the next part. Next thing you need to have is web hosting. You can see this as a place where you can build a house on the ground. You have the house, or no, you have the address, which is in fact the domain name, and you can build a house on that only if you have ground to build on. So you go to, again, the same website, and you can buy web hosting. This is very cheap on this website. On others it's very expensive. There's also a big difference in quality, but if you're just starting with a new website, I advise you to just take the cheapest package right here. It's only 50 cents per month. So you can order it here and do a bit of the same as you did before. You fill out all your information, and you pay for the web hosting package. It's well, €7 for 1 year. Now you have your domain name registered and you have a web hosting package. Now you can start to build your website. You will first have to connect your domain name with your web hosting account. You can do this on the same website. You log in and you can see a list of your domain names. I'm going to work around Andalusiaforall.com in this example. It will be a holiday, a website of our holiday house in Spain. So you go to nameservers DNS and you connect your web hosting account to your website. Click here, connect. The next thing to do is open your email, and you will have received an email from Versio where they sent you the login information for your web hosting account. The email will look something like this. They have sent you a direct admin login link. You take this link and put it in your browser. Then login, and you will see that AndalusiaForAll.com is already in here. If it's not already in here, you can click Domain Administration, click Add Another Domain, and fill out your domain name right here. Only take your domain name .com. Don't go for www or http before it. Only just yourdomain.com and click Create. Then you will find your website right here. So click on the domain you want to build your website on. Then you will see some applications you can install on this domain. Click View More. This is the backdoor of your website. The direct admin area is the area where you can do anything about your website you like. For example, use Installatron. It's an application which makes it very easy to install, for example, WordPress on your website. WordPress is really the easiest way to make your own website very quickly and very effectively. So, choose a content management app and click here, WordPress. Then click Install this application. Alright, then choose the domain you want to put it on. For example, AndalusiaForAll.com. I want it on the root of my domain, so if people go to AndalusiaForAll.com, I want them to see this website, not on the /blog directory, which is optional. So fill in nothing right here. Then the version is okay. I will keep the language in English. Everything here you can click on install. So once you have done this, you don't need to do it anymore. It's only once you need to do this, and after you installed WordPress on your website, that's what we just did, you can log in at your WordPress admin area, which is much easier to work with. So this has been the most technical part of this tutorial. So you can now go to your website and see that it's already online, but it looks not very interesting. So we will change something more. You can change everything at your website.com/wp-admin. This is where you want to log in from now. Every time when you are going to change something about your website, you will have to do it right here. You can adjust everything to your liking. The first thing you need to do is choose a theme. A WordPress theme is the general layout of your website. So you go to Appearance, Themes, and here you can choose many different things. I personally like the very simple layout of the 2012 theme. I will have to do it here. So I click here, install, so it will install a theme. Feel free to take whatever theme you like. Click activate, and you can click on customize. Here you can set the title and the tagline. You can choose your colors, whatever you like. You can set a header image. You can set a background image and many more options. You will really have to play with this around a little bit before your website will look nice, but you cannot really do anything wrong. So just try out everything you like. I will now upload a header image. Select file from my computer, right here. You can give it a name if you like. And select and crop. So now you can change this a little bit so it will look nice in your header image. So crop image, and you can save and publish. So now you have a nice header image right here. I will show you a couple more things you can adjust very easily. You can, for example, add a page to your website. Go to Pages, add New, and you can have a page about whatever you like. For example, so here you can type whatever you like and publish. And as you can see right now, you have a new page on your website. You can also add a post, which is something you have on your blog, usually more frequently updated than a new page. Add new and have a new blog post. And you can publish. So these are the basics of how to make your own website. In the future I will upload many more videos about how to make your website and customize it and make it look beautiful. So subscribe to this channel and you will be updated about this all. Thanks for watching.